When you look out of the windows at your lawn and garden, do you wish you had a green thumb or a bulldozer? Take a look at these landscaping ideas. Using a professional landscaper can bring your vision to life. They work with you to recommend and decide which plantings and designs are best for your space that will not only be beautiful, but also last a lifetime. Let's learn some tips and tools of the trade from the local experts at Michelangelo's Sustainable Landscape and Design.
Sustainable means being able to be maintained. And when we design a landscape, we're going to design it with the proper materials, whether it's the plant material or the stone material, that's going to be able to, last the homeowner a lifetime. Once you do a plan, you can then work on that project in phases. And a lot of times clients like to do projects in phases. For example, the one we're here working on right now with Myra Dean, her project has been, 3-4 phases to completion. And so it allows the client to really get what they ultimately want while working on it, within the budget that they have set. And some of our award-winning designs have actually been designs that we didn't just do all at once, we actually did in phases.
What drives the team's vision? Working with you to get to the root of how you want to use the space and designing the oasis you've dreamed of, where family memories are made.
Well, as a landscape architect, when I meet with any customer, the number one thing I talk to them about is kind of what their scope, what they want to enjoy, how they want to live the space is what I want to make sure that it works for them.
A lot of times clients will come to us and they'll want a patio, which is hardscaping. But they're not really thinking about the landscape around it. And oftentimes if you just do a patio or a wall or even a fireplace and you don't do anything around it, it can look just really barren. It's stark, very just cold. Wrapping the hardscaping with some beautiful plant materials, some colorful different textures, it can really just soften everything up and really just bring everything together. So it just really makes that hardscaping, that entertainment area, just feel more homey.
One of the great things about working with Michael is he was able to provide plants, shrubs, trees that bloom various different times of the year, which is wonderful because we always have something blooming, something beautiful to look at.
We like to be a support for the customer and make sure that we give them everything that they're looking for and need, and we strive to be there for every question they have.
When you work with Michelangelo's, you get more than an education and a partnership. You get a guarantee.
What Michael does is if there are any plants or bushes or any of the landscaping material that kind of die over a period of time, they'll come back and replace them for you at no charge. So that's very budget friendly for people who are concerned about the investment that they're making in their home landscaping.
We offer everything from full landscape design, hardscaping, softscaping, which includes patios, walls, fireplaces, fire pits, all sorts of plant material, annuals, perennials, irrigation and lighting.
Working with Michelangelo's has been a wonderful experience because it actually has improved our standard of life. It's such a beautiful backyard to be able to spend time with our family, time with each other, my husband and I, time with friends, family, enjoying this beautiful backyard that we worked so hard to put together and invest in.
For more information and inspiration, visit the design experts at Michelangelo's at landscapesandmore.com and be sure to visit us at designingspaces.tv.